Hello everyone, it's Fred again, and today I have big news. Big. Okay, so yesterday you might remember the proxy did not work too well. Well, today it is. So I decided to just remove the wildcard subdomain. It's going to be a problem for a future me. I talked to some friends and they told me that it was very hard to have wildcard subdomain in gcloud or on GoDaddy, and so I went the other route. So as you might remember, we have our VM somewhere, we don't know where. The only requirements is that the port 2222 is open and Docker is installed. So you might remember I just created the daemon last time. You might see, okay, everything is healthy. So here, you see this? Yeah, okay. So now it's a bit nicer. It's gonna also give you like the URL to your cluster. So practical Jigstra. But you can also go from there from the UI. Also, I had a very fun experience today. I tried it. I added my partner's email to a job, and she was able to access it. So I was very happy. Okay, so now when you go to your clusters dashboard, you have the list of all your clusters. Here, nothing really changed. Still the same image as before. Maybe I'll work on that at some point. But now when you click here, it takes a while, I know. It takes a while. So there's multiple reasons for that, but I can explain that a bit later on. But basically, for each call that the proxy, that the iframe does, we create a new connection to the VM. So it's a bit inefficient and a bit slow. And also everything here runs on basically a toaster. So, but here we have finally, after it's been 2 months of hard work, we have a working Devo. Let's go. I'm very happy. So yeah, so now you can send this link to your friends. If you add them, just for a quick reminder, if you want to add people here, you can add whoever you want. And they will have access, like once they log in. So of course, there's a lot of weird glitches everywhere, but I think for most of it, it's doing all right. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm very excited about all of that. And yeah, what else do I want to show today? Oh yeah, now we have a website. Yeah, could I redirect this to docs.kharon.app? Yes, but now I'm very afraid of subdomains, so I will not do that. But yeah, no, so now it's mostly the README, but there's also some good notes. Like here, I added what your server needs as requirements. So like an external IP. I can make this bigger. Yeah. The port 2222, your HTTP app must be on the port 8080, and Docker must be installed. And then there's the code, there's a list of features here, and there's a warning at the end that says that the app is not very fast. But like, I'll make a promise, okay? If we have 10 users a week after the launch, I will make it faster. I promise. Otherwise, it's going to be when I have time. I do plan to maintain this, like it's something I will use in my day-to-day work. But like I'll fix issues when I have time and when they annoy me, mostly. So yeah. So this one you can access it directly. I'll put also the link in the description below, of course. And yeah. I think that's it for us. So what's next? I think the launch is next. I will try to create like a promotional video, maybe something on Dev Hunt or a Product Hunt, trying to get some hype in here and see if anyone wants this. All right, cool. Well, that's it for me. Thank you and see you next time.